Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, and we continue. 4,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. That will carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world will accommodate you and one or two loved ones, finding what sent you forward. We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness, so remember, no flash pictures.
And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del bloque y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
You find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your
The happy haunts have
tambourine.
received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
listen up for swing and wait.
Happy haunts materialize.
And begin to vocalize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize.
Close your eyes and don't try to hide.
They pretend to terrorize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize.
And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and I'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.